Hello, I am back again with an update for the fire department. Uh, Today's update is uh, Paramedic Rescue 1. So this is a new addition to the fire department. Actually, it's not going to be stationed anywhere. It's going to be stationed separately. And the station is going to be a paramedic firehouse, or paramedic house. Um, I'll get to detail later. So right now, here is Paramedic Engine 1. I think I zoomed out. Wait, there you go. Alright, so it's a 2013 HME rescue, mini rescue. You have the two compartments, so one cabinet. Total of 5 compartments. We got the red, blue, and the red in diagonals. 2 red beacons in the rear. I'm sorry, it's a 2004 HME. It's a 2004. We got red and clear lights, and we have the federal signal vector lights. They're light bulbs, they're not LED. We have the red, green, red, and the lights in the front are the first generation LEDs, not the LEDs you see right now. They're the LEDs that has first came out, so like 2002-ish LEDs, which are like small, and you get the point. So about the paramedic firehouse, I might forget. Here is the truck map pages, paramedic rescue 1, and it says here, I am currently creating a paramedic firehouse or paramedic house in the Lakeshore Fire Department Districts 1 and 2. The reason why I didn't put 3, because District 1 and 3, they're sharing the area. So District 1 will go into District 3's area. District 2 is too far away from District 3. So what's going to be housed at the paramedic house is 1 ALS engine company, 1 ALS truck company. Now I might have get some questions that they're going to say, why is it going to be an ALS, fire companies if this is a paramedic firehouse? Well, there's a reason why it says firehouse. Because what if there's like a house fire down the street, and what's the point of calling a fire engine and a fire truck from all across the town just to get to a fire? So they just house an engine and a truck company with a bunch of paramedics. So yeah. So 1 medical/mass casualty bus, 4 ambulances, 2 is ALS and 2 is BLS, 1 paramedic field chief. The paramedic field chief I have right now is going to be moving to that station, so it's not going to be part of Station 1 anymore. But it's still going to be listed, but it's not going to house there. Paramedic rescue is ALS and BLS combined, and 1 paramedic support unit. I'm thinking about building a support unit, so I don't know what I'm going to build. I don't know, because the rescue is kind of like a support unit, so I don't know, I might need a support unit. Also, the paramedic support unit, these paramedic houses are based on Toronto EMS division. So yeah, this is paramedic engine 1. Rescue 1. 2004 HME. I just built it a couple minutes ago. Not 10 yet. So, what you think about the rescue? I want some feedback on it. So yeah. So I'm planning on making a paramedic firehouse in District 1 and District 2. District 1 is the north and the east side. District 2 is the south and the west side. District 3 is in the far, far north. So that's District 3. And that's the reason why District 1 and 3 share together, because they're basically in the same area. District 3 is like way north. District 1 is north and east. So yeah. And that's it. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. This will be another update next weekend. So please stay tuned for that. So this is Lego City 1996 signing out.